it's your boy Liam back with another video, and today we're gonna be going ramp picking today.
What are we doing, Michael?
Ramp picking.
Ramp picking. We're gonna head down on the quad. Mike, do you have that shovel thing?
We got two shovels.
We got two shovels.
Michael has his shovel, and we have our little shovel.
All right.
You doing the video? And
Yeah, I guess I will. I guess I have to. Here, I'll take you guys.
okay, let's see if we can get this done. We already lost the SD card.
Yeah, we tried to record the intro for the video earlier, but the SD card wasn't in.
Lost one of the SD cards.
Yeah, because Mike doesn't know how to hold anything for more than
I lose everything.
3 months.
Everything. Okay.
Alrighty, boys. So, I guess we'll see you when we get down there. We gone for now. Alrighty, boys, we are here. All that green that you see, some of it's skunk cabbage, all of those little tiny green things, all those are ramps. That's what we're doing today, boys. Look at that.
What do you think? Right in here?
Yeah, that should be good.
See that, Michael? That's what we're going to be picking.
I mean, you could be picking for days, guys. Seriously, you could. Look over down there, too. There's green down
Look
there.
over yonder.
But you don't want to eat skunk cabbage. That'll make you sick.
Yeah, not picking skunk cabbage.
Yeah, if there's anything you can take from my videos, it's don't eat skunk cabbage.
Okay, Michael.
Alright, here we go.
Okay, look. Michael, this is skunk cabbage, the big stuff. You don't want that. You want these little...
You want small green, not little, yeah, you want little green, not big
get
green.
Your shovel.
You know what I could do, honestly? I could maybe put this on like a branch. Feel like a branch we could put this on?
Yeah, you're gonna... Michael, here, let's find the spot. Liam's gonna show you here. So you want the bottom too.
You don't just want the top. The bottom is where
So
the
you
good
want to
stuff
dig
comes.
straight down.
Yeah, you want to go a little farther than you think they are, because that's where they are. See, then you get this. Take that dirt off. You got yourself a ramp. Right there, guys.
See that?
That bulb is what you want. That's the good stuff. And then you can
get that
use
one,
this green.
Michael?
And you can, what's that called? Saute it? Or?
Yeah, you saute it.
Yeah.
There you go. Now pull it out. Yep, look.
See, now the big ones is where the big leaves are.
So that's what we want.
Yes, sir. Get under that. I might have messed that one up.
Hey, this is nice.
Did you get one, Michael? Yeah, good job.
These really taste good raw.
I got the camera on you there.
Nice. What's up, guys? You can eat these raw. But don't eat too many because it makes your stomach sick. They're very spicy.
Here's what you end up with. Are you getting them, Michael?
No.
Let me see. Here,
Where are we putting them? Is there like a bag or something?
I'm gonna clean them as you dig them out. Yep.
I already did. I already cleaned them. Oh, I see a big guy right here.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Against the deck. Oh, that was disappointing. That guy looked big. It was not even nothing.
Nah, sometimes the leaves are.
Oh, because the bottom looks pretty big. See, like that one right there.
That's nice size.
These are the good. Ew. Shut up. You two, I can say whatever I want, brother. Ooh. Mike will hopefully just bleep it out.
Nobody find nothing. Nobody find
You want me
nothing.
to help you get one?
Yeah.
Okay, look. Find the leaf, look. Okay, here. So bring your shovel to where you find the green leaf. Okay, stick it beside it. Push down, pull up.
Find it.
Here, hold on. Okay, you see the leaf?
Yeah.
Okay, stick down. Stick down more, push hard. Ugh. Okay, now you grab them.
It's the good stuff right there, guys.
See?
Yeah.
That one's a pretty big one over there. Check that one out. Nice.
I found.
Stick it by a leaf, okay, Michael?
Owie.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
To break it.
all three of them I broke.
That, Liam.
I'm
Here,
good.
Michael.
Professional.
I'll hand them to you, and how about I hand them to you and you stick them in our pile over there. Don't pull on it yet. Let me do this. Now pull. Oh, we still broke it. Here, take the bottom with you.
Oh, guys, we are not professionals. I mean, I am, but sometimes I'm not. I'm not eating that one.
Here.
Dirty.
Hey, we made two. Yeah, we have two.
You made two.
Yeah, we made two.
You made two. Watch
Yeah.
this, guys. Triple bite. Since I lost the thing, you can still eat like a little bit on the top.
Did you eat it?
No.
Look at Liam over there. What's wrong with him?
Nothing. I'm eating my vegetables. There's no bugs on this, guys. I'll just eat them.
Oh, actually.
That's skunk cabbage.
Michael.
Nah, that's gonna smell.
Man, I love those.
One.
Don't throw that one, Liam.
Hey, get out of here! Watch, ready? So little. Those are good ones.
Hey, you inside?
Huh?
Look at me there.
That's a nice stick.
That is a very nice stick. Guys, is that not a nice stick?
Beautiful stick. Very beautiful.
I'm not doing it.
Do it.
No, I'm not
Do
doing
it.
We're on video, Mike.
Do your Trump impression.
No.
please?
No.
Just one time.
No.
Say very nice.
These ramps, they are very nice. Look at them. We have ramps for days. Just, I'm not going to say what I was just about to say, but we're all good. We're all good. We're all nice.
You still eating them, or are you keeping them?
Oh, I'm keeping them now. I was just eating the ones that didn't have that many, like the small bulbs.
You sticking them in a pile with mine?
The good ones, yeah.
Okay.
Ha ha ha. What's that?
Wow.
What up, everybody?
That's nice.
So can you take that one right there?
Yep.
That I just threw a star. All right. Oh, Michael, look at this.
What's that?
This one's really small. So what I'm gonna do here, you guys probably know what's coming. You know, we're gonna keep that out. So we're out of here. Ooh. Look at this jewel I got, Mike. Hookah chaka, hookah, hookah, hookah chaka, hookah. I can't stop this feeling when pounding fly. Ah.
Okay, what do you think? That enough for the day?
No! We just didn't even get started.
Huh?
We didn't even get started yet.
Ah.
Now see, if you have a really good grip on them, guys, you can just take them right off.
Got a nice little pile of them.
Yeah, little.
Yeah.
You said little.
Well, we take what we're going to eat this week, and then
Oh, well, I'm gonna probably eat a few. Put that on the side with some steak. Ain't that what you always say, Mike?
we'll cook some venison this week to have with them.
I don't know about that, but...
Oh, shut up. Okay, what do you got here?
Nice ramp. That's what I got here.
Okay.
Let's do like 5 more.
Okay, you do 5 more.
Hey, give me one.
What?
Give me one.
Give you one.
Yeah.
You know, guys, you can see the ball like this right here. You can just really center it with your fingers, and then you can kind of dig it out. Just like that. It takes some skill, though. You have to be like a year. You have to be like a 5-year veteran.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm 12. I've been doing this since I was 7. So I am a 5-year veteran. I'm a decorated ramp veteran.
You tried to dig that tree out. That's big. Here, did you want these? You can try bite?
Yeah, guys, like I said, if you can see the bottom of the ramp, you gotta get the bottom of the ramp. You gotta just take out that root and bang. You have a nice ramp. Alright. I'm just gonna put
Help me, Dad.
We're not digging that big tree out, Michael.
Why?
Let it go so it grows big and tall.
Yeah, and then it'll produce nutrients to new ramps.
If you kill it, then it's not going to do anything.
Photosynthesis, my boy. I think I've done a lot more than 5 so far. Alright, just like a few more. And I think I had my fair share of ramp picking.
Yeah, they're a little small yet, but hey. Okay,
Yeah,
let's
ramp's
get
a
out of
ramp,
here.
man. One more.
Cook them tops
Hey.
and some butter.
Saute the bottom.
Oh, good job, Michael. Oh, nice. You did good. Wait, don't break it. You wanted to have 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to throw these in here. We're going to get going.
Do you have the shovel?
Yep.
The black one?
Yeah. Here, Michael, let me put your shovel in the back. Ah.
And then after you're done ramp picking, you just save one for the road. And see the underside? Dang.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Well, if I wouldn't have broke it off, but they let me. Oh, shit! I'm breaking this guy. So yeah, a little dirt won't hurt. It dropped.
Oh
It
my
dropped.
God.
All right, you see that? That's primal.
Okay, guys,
That's how our ancestors used to do it, boys.
we're gonna end this video. We're gonna go back to the house. It's still kind of chilly out this morning.
Yes, we are.
And
Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.